Hi friends, welcome you to my channel Way to Learn MS Excel. Today we will learn Excel option that is text to column, or you can say comma delimiter. So this option helps us to separate cell contents such as first name and last name in different column. Here you can see we have list of name, and here you can also observe that the separator is the space between the name. You can say Peter Alexander. There is a space between the Peter and Alexander. So now let us take an example. We want to create it in different column where there is a separator between the words. For example, in this case I need Peter in different cell and Alexander in different cell. So how we will do that? So firstly select the data. Okay, I have selected the data and go to the data tab. Okay, then go to the text to column. Here you can see there is two option, delimited and fixed width. So we will go for firstly delimited. Okay, then we will go next button. Okay, here you can see that we have delimiters, separators, like tab, semicolon, comma, space and other. So now firstly I will select comma here, sorry, space here. So you can see that this here you can see in the preview that this has been separated, like Peter, Alexander, Rita, George, Daniel, Nicholas, David, Robert. Okay, now we will go to click on next button. Okay, here destination, so where you want the result. So here by default cell A is selected, means this one A5 is selected. So now we will click on next button, finish. So now you can see that Peter, Alexander, Rita, George, as per our requirement we have find out the result, but I'm doing here Control Z, undo, but I want this result in big 5 column and this will remain same. So what we will do, again we will go to the data tab, delimiter, text to column. I will select the delimited option, next. Okay, then space. Okay, then we will change the destination. Here is A5, so instead of A5 we will click on B5. Okay, now finish. So you can see our main data is remain same and we have separated the first name and last name in two different column. So this is the result how we can do that. Now let us take one another example. Here you can see we have email ID. Okay, these are dummy email IDs. Okay, so here you can see that separator is at the rate. So what we want the first part of before at the rate and another part of at the rate. Okay, so now what we will do, we will again select the data. Okay, we will go to the data tab, then we will go to the text to column. Okay, now in the wizard we will click on next button. Okay, so here you can see the delimiter list, but at the rate sign is not there. So what we will do, we will select other. Okay, and we will type at the rate as a separator. Okay, next, finish. So here you can see that we have separated the after at the rate and before at the rate contents in different column. Okay, now we will do again it, but not in same column, we will do in different column. So again what we will do, we will select the data and we will click to the text tab, next, next, and destination I will change it here, finish. So you can see we get the result as per our requirement. Okay, so this in this way we can separate the cell contents in different column according to our choice or requirement. Okay, now we will understand how to use second wizard thing. Okay, so I'm taking the same example, I'm deleting here. Okay, so I have taken it in another column. Now again we'll go to the data and we will select text to column. Okay, now we will select next. Before that we will change the option. Now we will select the fixed width. Okay, so what is fixed width? This is a separator, but as per our requirement means you can't give any condition or any separator. This is as per your requirement. So whether it is for example, we want only this first word of the every name. So now we will select finish. So what we will do, it will separate the first initial letter of every name. So in this way we can use the second wizard option of comma delimited. Friends, you have learned now that how to segregate or how to separate text to different column. And yes, also you can use the shortcut key, that is Alt plus D plus E. I'm writing down here. Alt plus D plus E. Yes, in this way you can this is the shortcut key text to column wizard. Okay, so I hope this video help you. Thanks for watching.